Hi, everybody. We've reached the last day of the Aztecs, which means we're getting closer to the end of the school year, which part of me is really happy about because I'm sort of sick of distance learning, but I'm also kind of sad because I just started to really like you kids, and then I didn't ever get to see you kids anymore. Make sure you guys come back in 8th grade and chat with me because I really want to hear your experience in all of this. But back to the point at hand. Yesterday, you guys talked about the Aztec civilization and one of the most important meetings in all of world history, the meeting between Montezuma, the Aztec emperor, and Cortez, the conquistador from Spain. Now, as you could probably tell, what happened is this. The Spanish conquered the Aztec civilization. However, as historians, you know that there's not just one single cause. It's not just the cause that Spain was better than the Aztecs. Today, what you guys are going to look at is why did the Aztec civilization collapse? Now, I really quickly wanted to show you this because it's pretty interesting. Had we been together, I would have you guys do this as a formal warm-up, but I did want to show you these two paintings because if you were to go up to an Aztec and go up to a Spanish person living at the time and say, okay, what actually happened when Montezuma and Cortez met? They would give you different stories. If you look over here, this is the painting from a Spanish perspective. You notice Cortez here giving a necklace to Montezuma here. However, if you're going to ask an Aztec and say, hey, what happened when Montezuma and Cortez met? You'd get a different story. You have Montezuma here giving a necklace to Cortez here. So the question is, okay, who actually gave the necklace? Now, actually, the question is a little bit deeper than that. It's why on earth would the Spanish say one thing and the Aztecs say another? Notice, giving gifts is a good thing. It shows you as being the good guy, right? Both people want to be labeled as the good guys. The Aztecs want to be the good guys. Look, we welcomed them in. We gave them necklaces. Conversely, you have Cortez saying, no, I want to be the good guy. Look, I even presented a necklace to Montezuma. What you'll quickly realize is after today's lesson, you'll actually see who the good guys and the bad guys were and why on earth did the Aztec civilization collapse and collapse so unbelievably quickly. Hint, it only took 2 years. So enjoy, kiddos. I will see you back here tomorrow to conclude our history lessons with a look into a civilization in South America called the Inca. Until then, kids, see ya.